It's a lovely summer day and I'm out here sailing with my father-in-law Tony, and this is the first sail of this year actually. Been very busy at work and haven't managed to get out yet, so we're just passing Berry Head up there, and Valmic's loving it. We're goose winging with the Genoa sprit rigged out, and got a Brixham trawler here we're passing. I think what we're going to do, it's Vigilance, what we're going to do is we're going to come up into the wind because we've got to go back and pick up the girls, and we'll see how we go sailing close to the wind against a Brixham trawler.